Hi, welcome to Web Spinners. Today I've got a real easy project. I've got Photoshop open and I'm using the 2020 version from the Adobe Cloud. It's the newest version. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these gray clouds and we're going to do a sky replacement. So what you do is, I've already opened it up. I've opened up the picture that I want to fix just by going File, Open, and finding it and opening it up. Then I'm going to go to Edit, and I'm going to go to Sky Replacement right here. Okay, and up pops a Sky Replacement block. And right here, I click on this. Actually, I just hovered over it and it changed. But I can choose any of the skies that happen to be in here. I can choose this one. I can choose this one, or this one, and there's more. I can go to, I've saved some as bright skies. That kind of looks a little bit where it's not real. This is still cloudy. I want to make it a nice sunny day. Looky here, there's one that has a rainbow in it. Of course, it's still not giving me what I want. But just to show you what's in the sky replacement area, they got some pretty skies. Okay. Now, I kind of like this one. Now, if I wanted a night sky, I could do that. Isn't that pretty? But I don't want a night sky. So I'm going to go up here and get some of these bright skies. Or maybe I'll just go to Gabe's Favorites. Gabe's Faves, I call it. Right here. I kind of like this one. Now, you can actually add skies to this. For instance, if I hit the little plus mark here, plus, it's going to go to my desktop or wherever I usually go to get stuff. And it's going to go to some files that I have already copied from the internet. So all I've got to do is click on this one right here and open it. It's called Sky White Clouds Blue Seas. And that looks really real to me. You notice you can still see the birds in the sky. Now, if I want to make a different batch of them, say I want to put everything that's cloudy, and I've already named it stormy skies. If I wanted to put maybe just cloudy skies, I'll just go ahead and open that up and name it Cloudy Skies. And click OK. Now, let's see. Now we've got cloudy skies here. Okay, let's find some cloudy skies. His cloudy sky. Let's move it up there. Okay, whoops. Cloudy skies, there it is. And now it appears in cloudy skies. So that's how you make a folder and put clouds or put skies where you want them. And you can see I've already got bright skies, and I've got Gabe's Favorites, and I've got stormy skies. Then I'll click OK. All right, the only thing I see wrong with this thing is that the hotel kind of looks like it's later in the day. So I'm going to brighten it up a little bit. So I'm going to go up to Image, Adjustments, and just choose Brightness and Contrast. And I'm going to brighten it up a little bit. And do a little contrast on it. And as you see, it didn't do anything to the sky, but it did change the hotel to make it brighter. And then I click OK, and there you have it. And now I just go up File, Save As, Save on my computer, and I'm going to go to the same area, and I'm going to call it Image, Blue Sky, Blue, Water, Blue, Skies, and I'm going to save it as a JPEG. You can use a JPEG file or a Photoshop file or anything you want to make this change. I'm going to save it. OK. And there you have it. Changing your sky.